Welcome, in front of me is a ELEPHONE C1 Max, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options on the device. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from settings, scroll all the way down to about phone. Oh, come on, there we go. And then scroll again all the way down till you find build number. Now once you see this, you want to tap on the build number 7 times. And it's giving me a message that I'm already a developer. So I already have it enabled, but you want to tap on it 7 times and then it will be enabled. And then you want to go back 1 position from here. And you should see developer options right here. Let me just, yeah, there it is now, it's enabled. Not really sure why it was telling me that it's not. So from here you have access to all the developer options, the device, and you can just switch them on and off. Now keep in mind that some of these might actually, you might not want to flip them on or off, just kind of like to test it, because for instance, something like OEM Unlocking, if you flip it on, it will perform a hard reset of the device to remove previous data, so like your usernames and stuff like that. So just keep in mind that some of those options may do some harm to like your device in terms of, let's say, if you want to not format it. And there's also additional ones that would just turn off certain options of the device. So you might want to be cautious like what you're turning on or off here. But that is how you would enable this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.